Hi, I'm Jim Calley, Regional Sales Manager for SurgeX. With me today is Jeff Mackey, our Senior Sales Engineer. We're at Markertek to discuss with you the SurgeX Axess ELITE. In the AV world, downtime costs money and can damage a brand's reputation. If you're a service provider and you're managing multiple locations and the AV gear within those locations, you understand that unnecessary site service calls due to power disruptions and downtime can severely impact your profit margins. To prevent these problems or these issues, we recommend the Axess ELITE. The Axess ELITE provides IP power management and our patented surge protection technology to offer the most advanced solution to monitor and control power, sequence outlets, and control rack equipment to limit downtime and service disruptions. Jeff now is going to talk to you about the core technology of our box and its capabilities.
The Axess ELITE comes with the patented Advanced Series Mode SurgeX reactor, which couples as part of the 360 degrees of power protection. In addition to the reactor, there's also the EMI RFI filtering, there's the inrush current elimination, as well as the catastrophic over voltage and under voltage shutdown system. As Jim mentioned, it is IP addressable. We can control each of the outlets individually. We can cascade up to 16 of these units. And we have power analytics that we can look at the power information from each of the outlets and what's going on in the system.
So the Axess ELITE is the perfect choice to monitor and control and protect power distribution platforms for organizations of all size. The product comes with a limited lifetime product warranty and also a limited 5-year connected to warranty. For more information on our product and our warranty, please visit our website or go visit markertek.com. Thank you.